Hello, I've been playing this game called Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2, and in room 6 there is two frog and goldfish puzzles that I struggled to solve, but I've worked out the solution, and today I'm going to share that solution with you. So let's go inside the game. Okay, so I'm not going to go into all the steps just for this room, but I'm just going to concentrate on the frog and goldfish puzzle. So I found the frog now, and I pop him into that that part, and now it says play the game. Okay, so there's all those pieces, and there's 16 cells with either lily pads or water on them, and the idea is to fill in all those 16 cells with these pieces. And the other thing that you have to remember to do is put the frogs have to sit over a lily pad, and then the goldfish have to sit over the water part or the blue part. So the first one I'm going to pop in is that one like that, so you can see two goldfish on the blue and the frog on the lily pad, and then you can tap those pieces to move them around into the right position, so the frogs go up like that. And then this one, I'll spin that round and pop it up the top, so I've filled in that top section now. And that one, I'll spin it round like so, pop it there, and put that one on like so, and then I'm just going to push that one up, and that's going to solve this puzzle. So all I'm left with is a goldfish on the blue and then a frog on the lily pad like so, and there we go. I got that piece to help solve the room. Okay, so now I've just got the little goldfish to solve the second part of the second one of those frog and goldfish puzzles. So I'll pop that over like so. There we go. Play the game, and it's the same principle. There's just a different configuration of lily pads and blue water, and I think those pieces there are probably the same as the first puzzle. So what I'm going to do first is put the two frogs up the top. That one I'll spin around and put there like so. Those ones with the two goldfish I'll put there like that. That one goes down like so. Spin those around like that, and turn that one around, and it's just going to go into there to finish off the puzzle. There we go, and there's the key to open the door and solve the room, which is key in the door, and that solves the room, and then off into the next room you go. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.